The tension started building before the defendant even reached the podium. Inside the courtroom of David Fleischer, hearings move quickly. Names are called. Cases are handled. But this one immediately felt different. The defendant was already facing charges tied to prior violations. Not his first appearance. Not his first warning. When Judge Fleischer began reviewing the file, he asked a simple question about compliance. Instead of answering directly, the defendant sighed loudly. The courtroom went still. The judge repeated the question. This time, the defendant interrupted, arguing details, challenging the tone, speaking over both the judge and his own attorney. That's when it happened. Judge Fleischer raised his voice, not wildly but firmly. "You will not talk back to me." Silence. The message wasn't emotional. It was procedural. Courtrooms operate on order. Respect isn't optional, it's required. Defense counsel attempted to calm the situation, explaining that the defendant was frustrated and anxious. But frustration doesn't override decorum. The judge leaned forward. "This is not a street corner. This is a court of law." The defendant tried again, muttering that he was just defending himself. But there's a process for defense. It goes through counsel. It follows structure. Judge Fleischer made something very clear. Talking back doesn't strengthen your case. It weakens it. The prosecutor pointed out prior warnings for similar behavior. Patterns matter. Judges don't just look at a single moment. They look at history. Then came the consequences. The judge ordered stricter supervision conditions and warned that any further courtroom disruption would result in immediate contempt proceedings. The defendant's earlier confidence dissolved. Judge Fleischer delivered a final reminder. You earn leniency with respect. You lose it with attitude. The gavel struck. And just like that, what could have been a routine hearing became a powerful lesson in accountability. Because in this courtroom, there's one rule above all. Respect the court.